Okay, here is how you watch a video on YouTube on loop or repeat. There's a couple different ways to do this based on if you're on your computer watching the video or if you're on your mobile phone watching your video. I make a lot of affirmation videos and subliminal videos. So if you want to have the YouTube video open on your computer screen while you're doing other work, you can just set it up to be on loop and it'll play on the background just over and over again. It's a great way to listen to affirmations and subliminals. So first of all, make sure your video is already playing. So hit the play button, and then all you have to do is, once the video is playing, is right click your mouse and the loop option will come up. Just press that loop option, and then you can see if we go to the end of the video, let's just fast forward to the end of the video, it's going to go ahead and get to the end, and it's going to just start right over. You can see this little red dot of how far we are into the video, and it just starts over. So next I'm going to show you how to set it up on your mobile phone, because it's a little bit different on your mobile phone when you're watching a YouTube video. Okay, here's how we're going to do it when we're on the mobile phone. First of all, you're just going to tap the screen with your finger. Just anywhere in the center of the video, tap the screen, and it's going to pop up these settings. In the upper right hand corner, there's this little wheel. That's the setting wheel. Press that, and you're going to have some options pop up, and we need to press additional settings at the very bottom, and then it's going to pop up loop video. So just click that little button on loop video, and then once it gets to the very end of the video, it'll automatically start replaying the video from the beginning, just like we did on the computer.